You have flown hundreds of times. You have sat in the same seats, walked down the same aisles, looked out the same windows. And you think you know everything about the aircraft around you. You don't. Hidden in plain sight, on every commercial aircraft in the world, are features that most passengers will never notice, never question, and never understand. Until today. These are 17 hidden features on airplanes that will completely change the way you see every flight you ever take. Feature number 1. The small hole in your window. Every passenger window on a commercial aircraft has a tiny hole near the bottom of the inner pane. It is so small that most people never notice it. But it is one of the most important safety features on the entire aircraft. At cruising altitude, the pressure difference between the inside of the cabin and the outside atmosphere is enormous. The window system uses 3 panes of acrylic to manage this pressure. The outer pane takes the full structural load. The middle pane is the backup. And the inner pane, the one you can touch, is just a scratch guard. The small hole, called a bleed hole, allows pressure to equalize between the cabin and the gap between the inner and middle panes. This prevents the inner pane from fogging up, prevents condensation from building up between the layers, and ensures that if the outer pane ever fails, the middle pane is already at the correct pressure to take over immediately. That tiny hole has been saving lives on every flight since commercial aviation began. Feature number 2. The yellow triangle above your window seat. Look up at the overhead panel above a window seat on most commercial aircraft. You will find a small yellow triangle, or sometimes a sticker with a triangle, positioned directly above certain windows. These triangles mark the best windows for ground crew and cabin crew to assess the condition of the wing and engines from inside the aircraft. In an emergency, crew members are trained to go to these specific windows to check for fire, ice, or structural damage before making critical decisions about evacuation. Most passengers sit under these triangles their entire flight and never once look up. Feature number 3. The hooks on the back of the seat in front of you. Almost every economy seat has small hooks or loops built into the back. They are positioned at roughly knee height. They are not for your bag. They are not for your coat. They are anchor points. In certain aircraft configurations, and in some emergency procedures, these hooks are used to anchor equipment, secure items during turbulence investigations, and in some older aircraft, they were part of the original design for attaching meal trays. Today, most passengers use them for bags without ever knowing that they were built with a completely different purpose. Feature number 4. The armrest button that makes the L-seat armrest go up. On almost every commercial aircraft, the L-seat armrest has a small button or lever hidden underneath it, near the hinge. Press it and the armrest lifts completely, giving you significantly more space. Airlines do not advertise this. Flight attendants rarely mention it. But every L-seat on almost every commercial aircraft in the world has this feature. And it is there for a specific reason, to allow faster evacuation. When an armrest can be raised, passengers can slide directly from the seat into the aisle without having to step over anything. In an emergency evacuation where seconds matter, this single feature can significantly improve exit speed. Feature number 5. The red or blue lights in the cabin during boarding. On some aircraft, particularly during evening or red-eye flights, the cabin lights are set to a specific color during boarding. Not for atmosphere. The lighting spectrum is chosen to reduce eye strain during the transition between the bright terminal and the aircraft interior, and in some configurations, to begin the process of circadian rhythm adjustment on very long international flights. Some airlines have invested heavily in LED lighting systems that change color temperature throughout the flight to help passengers adjust to the destination time zone before landing. Feature number 6. The little notch on the window shade. Most window shades on commercial aircraft have a small notch or tab near the top. It is not decorative. It is a grip point. Designed specifically so that passengers can close the shade fully and securely without their fingers slipping during turbulence. A detail so small that the engineers who designed it never expected passengers to notice it. But it is there on almost every aircraft flying today. Feature number 7. The oxygen mask drop time. When oxygen masks drop from the compartment above your seat, you are told to pull the tube to start the oxygen flow. What you are not told is that you have approximately 12 to 15 minutes of oxygen in each mask. This is not an oversight. As we covered in a previous video, 12 to 15 minutes is all the time a pilot needs to descend from cruising altitude to 10,000 feet where the air is breathable again. The masks are not designed to last indefinitely. They are designed to last exactly long enough. Not a second more. Feature number 8. The seats that face backward on some aircraft. On certain military transport aircraft, and on some older commercial configurations, a percentage of seats face backward, toward the tail of the aircraft. These seats are statistically safer in a forward impact crash. The seat back absorbs the deceleration force instead of the passenger's body. Some aviation safety researchers have argued for decades that all commercial aircraft seats should face backward. The aviation industry has resisted this change because passenger surveys consistently show that travelers are uncomfortable facing backward, even when told it is safer. Comfort has won over safety. And most passengers have never been told that the direction they are facing matters at all. We covered 8 hidden features. But the aircraft around you holds 7 more secrets that engineers built in, airlines never explain, and passengers fly past every single time they board. Feature number 9. The floor lighting system. Every commercial aircraft has emergency lighting strips embedded in the floor of the aisle, running from every seat row to every emergency exit. They run on independent battery power. They work in complete darkness and in smoke-filled cabins after the main electrical system has failed. And they are angled specifically so that a passenger crawling on the floor, the correct position in a smoke-filled cabin, can follow them to the nearest exit with zero visibility. Every time you have walked down an aircraft aisle, you were walking over a survival system built into the floor beneath your feet. Feature number 10. The lavatory that can be opened from the outside. Every aircraft lavatory can be unlocked from the outside without a key. There is a hidden latch concealed behind the no smoking sign near the door handle. Flight attendants are trained to use it. It exists so that if a passenger collapses inside, crew can access them immediately without forcing the door. Most passengers have used aircraft lavatories hundreds of times without ever knowing that their privacy was never fully guaranteed. Feature number 11. The cockpit door that can survive an axe. Since 2001, cockpit doors on commercial aircraft have been completely redesigned. The door, the frame, and the hinges are built to withstand a sustained physical assault, axe blows, crowbar attacks, and battering ram forces. There is also a one-way viewing system that allows pilots to see the area outside the cockpit without opening the door. Passengers walk past this door on every single flight. Almost none of them have any idea how much engineering went into making it impenetrable. Feature number 12. The black boxes are not black. They are bright orange. The color was chosen specifically for visibility in wreckage, water, and debris fields. They are coated in reflective material and equipped with underwater locator beacons that transmit signals for up to 30 days after an accident. The name black box comes from early aviation when the recorders were housed in dark protective casings. The name stuck. The color changed. And almost nobody ever noticed. Feature number 13. The winglets are not just for fuel efficiency. The upturned tips on modern aircraft wings do reduce fuel consumption by improving aerodynamics. But they also change the distribution of stress along the entire wing during turbulence and high-load maneuvers, reducing the peak bending forces at the wing root. A wing with winglets can be built lighter while maintaining the same structural safety margin. You have been looking at winglets as a fuel-saving feature. They are also a weight-saving, stress-managing, structurally critical part of every modern aircraft wing. Feature number 14. The aircraft water system is not what you think. Potable water tanks are located in the belly of the aircraft below the passenger floor. They supply the lavatories, the galley sinks, and the coffee and tea systems. They are supposed to be cleaned on a regular schedule. Independent investigations have repeatedly found that aircraft water quality varies significantly between airlines and between individual aircraft, with some systems testing positive for bacteria that would fail municipal water standards. Flight attendants know this. Which is why almost none of them drink the coffee or the tea when they fly as passengers. Feature number 15. The engine you never hear about. Every commercial aircraft has a third power source hidden in the tail called the Auxiliary Power Unit, or APU. It is a small jet engine that provides electrical power and air conditioning when the main engines are shut down. When you board a flight and the cabin is already cool, that is the APU. When the lights stay on after the engines shut down at the gate, that is the APU. It is a completely independent power system, invisible to passengers, that keeps everything running when the main engines are off. Every aircraft has one. Almost no passenger has ever heard of it. 15 hidden features. 15 engineering decisions built into every flight you have ever taken, without a single announcement, without a single explanation. The aircraft you fly on is not just a tube with wings. It is one of the most complex safety systems ever built by human beings. And its most important features are the ones you never see. If this video changed the way you see every flight you take, hit subscribe. Because next time, we are going even deeper, into the hidden systems that activate only in emergencies. Systems most passengers will never need. But that every aircraft carries, just in case.